All right, let's go into Target and see what Target has for Valentine's Day. We're going to go to Target Dollar Spot, and then we're going to go to regular Target. All right, so they have like some heart decor, wool decor. That one's cute. They had that last year. All right, these are really cute for the wine glasses. I'm going to buy those. And then found some stir sticks. Then they have some candles. These candles are really cute. They're like ombre. Really cute. And then they have some plates. White winter days that melt into spring. You and me forevermore. That one was cute. That's cute for Valentine's Day. And love grows best in home houses just like this. All right, then they have some kitty, stuff. I think those are cards to make for classmates, which is really cute. And so are these. These are like to give them, on Valentine's Day to your classmates, for boys and girls. It's really cute. It's just like a little decor. Okay, and then they have these frames, which are really cute. I just love them. I think that one's my favorite, but really cute. I love them. You don't even have to put a picture. I just like what it says. And then we found some mugs. That one is really pretty for the spring. That one's cute for Valentine's Day. So was that one. And then I found these like felt shapes. Okay, I found this rug, which I just love. I think that was the only one there. It was $5 and then it has like white tassels. Really cute. All right, and then I found this. Okay, and then I found these shot glasses, which I love for my bar cart. And then they have these rope lights. Were very interesting. So very cute. All different colors: purple, white, pink, red. Then I found other mugs, which are cute: black and white, purple and pink. And those back there are really cute. Best friends. Then I found some glasses for New Year's Eve. And then, ooh, I found some light. That's what I was looking for. String lights. That one's cute. That's like my color theme for this year. And then they have them in red. And then they have these crystal diamonds, be good for a bar cart. And then they have them in that like hot pink color. I found this tray this Valentine's. And then I found this bubble bar. That's cute for a bar cart. All right, and these are cute, like a little piggy banks for the kids. And then they had some tins for Valentine's Day. You could put like treats, cookies. And then they have these cute little like trinket trays. I think they're so cute. That one's just a plain black one. That one's pretty. And they had a few different kind. Besties. And then they had these ring holders, which are pretty good. I like those. And then they had a little tray. All right, then I love these labels. I actually bought 2 packs of those because you could put them in your jars and, anywhere really. So love those. And it's good for your hot cocoa bar. Love you more. And then you belong with me, I belong with you. All right, and then I found these 2 tablecloths that are really nice for Valentine's Day. I like to get these to do crafts with my kids and just put them on the table because they're plastic. The heart one's nice too. And then I found those hearts. They've had them last year. Then I found the birdhouses, which are so adorable, $3. So cute for spring. And then I found the birdies for $1. They come in blue, a green, and a pink. And then there's some kid decor for Valentine's Day, which is really cute if you want to decorate for the kids. And then these mirrors are really, really nice for little girls' room, or if you want to do like a wall collage of mirrors. Then I found glitter and buttons, and these are really, really pretty. I couldn't resist. And then I found the bowls. It comes, I think, in 3 different styles. My favorite is the stripe one. And the hearts. And I found the striped platter. Okay, then I found Valentine's Kitchen towels. So that's one. That's the other one, You and Me, which is pretty. I like that one. And then there's the other one, and it just has a pot holder. Very cute for Valentine's. Then I found these really cute gift bags, to give out to the kids at school. And then I found these Shadowbox calendars, were really cute. That one's pretty for spring. And then this one is really nice. I like the colors. And then this one's more like farmhouse style. I like that one too. And then I seen a welcome to our home sign. All right, found some nice spring and Valentine's. I love those signs. This is cute. You fill it in. And I found these flowers that look so real. They're only $3, but they're so pretty. And then I found 3 mugs, red, a white, and a black one. I like those those embossed hearts. They're really pretty. And then they had canisters, pink, white, and red. They're embossed. They're not candle, they're canisters. They're really pretty. And did we see the mugs already? I think we did, right? I don't remember, but here goes the mugs. All right, and then they have the cake stands. These are plastic. They're really cute. They're $3. And then I found these canisters with pink lids. Really cute. 2 sizes, small and a big one. All right, these metal envelopes are so cute. You could put cards in there. You could just decorate. You could put like Valentine stuff in there, like decor. Really cute. I love those. And then I found some glasses for Valentine's Day. Really cute. I love them. XOXO. They're only $1. I love the hearts too. And hello, darling. Very cute glasses. They would be like so perfect for my bar card. All right. And I always get these cupcakes. I just love them. And I always go to Target to look for their like cupcakes and cookies. All right. And my son keeps waving. He doesn't let me film. All right. How cute is this section? I couldn't take it. It's so cute. It's from the Spritz. All right. These wreaths are $5. They're like felt, but they're very, very pretty. I am in love with this whole section. It really just made me happy. So, yeah. Love these flowers. They come in a bunch. I believe those were like 5. Okay, how cute are the birdies? The little girl and the boy. So cute to put in your 3-tier tray. And this is really nice, this little wire tray. It's shaped like a heart. That's cute too. And then they have all like party stuff, you know, party plates, napkins. These straws are really cute. They're like red and then pink hearts in there. Very cute. All right, I like this cupcake tray that's shaped like a heart. All right, and that's just the banner. Some other like decor for parties, some cute little decor for Valentine's Day for the kids. Those are cute, those mermaids. I love them. And then some other like wall art. All right, how cute are these? You know, to give to a little kid, your children. It just has like a little candy and a little like, you know, stuffed animal. I thought they were really cute. So I wanted to show you guys. Very adorable. All right, and then some kitchen towels. This is my favorite section. It's all the way in the back. I always go there every season. A tablecloth, $4.99. These kitchen towels are cute. They're $4.99 each too. It comes with 2. I like that. A cake pan. That cake looks cute on the picture. Looks delicious. And then they have like cookie cutters, all the bacon. I love this section. They have cake frosting with the sprinkles. They have everything you want. These sprinkles are so cute. I love the heart sprinkles. I think I'm taking those home because I know they sell out fast. All right, and then they have cupcake liners, more sprinkles, some cake decorations and cupcake decorations. All right, Pyrex. This section is my favorite. I always check it. I always buy a Pyrex for every season. And these tins are so cute. All right, that looks really interesting. I want to try that. All right, guys, so I got home. I'm going to show you what I picked up from Target today. It's not too much, but I have a lot of other things from Michael's and from Hobby Lobby. So, and I didn't get nothing from the Spritz section. I only got these sprinkles, which I thought they were really cute. It was the last one, so I picked it up because these sell really fast. Like all the baking stuff in Target always sell really quick, especially sprinkles because they're really pretty. If you really look at them. So I had to pick this up. All right, so, oh, and then I picked up this candle from Opal House. This was $11, but I just love the glass. And once the candle burns out, I am going to use this glass because I love it. and it's like pressed glass. So yeah, and it does smell really pretty. And I got the spring bloom. All right, so let me just show you what I got from the Target dollar spot. Oh, and over here I got the love this year and the XOXO, the hearts, and the other stuff. Oh, this that says love was from previous years. So these are from previous years, but I just wash them and I keep them unless they get broken or really worn out, but they haven't. So this is from last year's. And these two are from this year, so love them. They're really cute. So I just put them in this little, I put in this little like milk, you want to say, creamer. But I got that from World Market this year, which is really cute. I just love it. All right. So I had to pick up this flower. I didn't pick up the other ones. This rose was the last one, which looks so real. I wish they had more, but you know, they didn't. So $3, but I just love it. You could even put it in a vase. So that's really cute. And then I picked up this. I wanted a clear one so I can use it, you know, more often, I felt. And then I got a little birdie. I only picked up one, but I want a few more. And maybe I'm gonna, not maybe, I'll probably go back to Target. And then I picked up for $3 these little shot glasses because I have a new bar cart. I'm going to be showing you my new bar cart and how I decorate it. So that's gonna be, you know, the next video or the following coming up. So stay tuned for that. I'm going to decorate it a few different ways. So I love that. I love that to have the bar cart and just decorate it. Because the other cart, I kept it in the kitchen if you noticed. All right, and then I got these because I have the bar cart. I just love them. You put these around the champagne, you know, stems. But I can use these for other things, I thought. I can even hook this onto the mug or anything and just stick it right there, I think, on any mug. You don't have to use it for a champagne, I feel. So I got the pink ones, and then I got the black and the white. The black and the clear. Okay, like right here, you could just clip it onto your mug. I don't know how it would look if it was too long for the bottom. Or in the bottom of the mug. I think it looks cute. It's just little charms, so you can use it anywhere, really. You know, in your two-tier tray, clip it onto anything, but I like it like this. I think it looks cute. And I picked up these string lights because I felt like this went better, you know, with my color scheme, especially with all the opal, because Opal House has that pink. You really can't notice that like really light pink. I want to say blush, but kind of like a creamy blush. I don't know. That's how I feel. Okay, I'm going to show you my two-tier tray. I'm not going to show you everything because, you know, the Valentine's Day home tour. But I know you like to see decorating things. So I did my two-tier tray. See how these look cute, just dangling? You got to think out of the box, guys. So I have the mugs there. I love you, crazy. The other mugs down here, hugs and kisses. And then this heart, that was from Hobby Lobby, but it looks cute. I don't want to show you the rest, but just wanted to give you a little inspiration and a little fun decor for Valentine's. So thank you for watching, and if you like what I bought and you like Valentine's and you like the Target dollar spot, give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you like at the Target dollar spot, what you found or what you want to find, or if you liked anything that I bought. All right, I will see you in my next video. Don't forget, I have a lot of videos, hauls, and shop with me. And then I want to show you how I decorate for Valentine's Day. And then I want to show you how I decorate my bar cart. So I have a lot of videos. I'm trying to get them out. All right, so subscribe if you're new so you can see more of my videos. And I will see you in my next video. And I hope you always remember to keep designing life. Bye.